Hey guys, let's see today how to turn on and use locked private browsing in Safari. You can see over on my iPhone screen, it's showing private browsing is locked. So if you want to use similar kind of this feature, so better I will show you guys how to turn on this feature and use locked private browsing in Safari, because lock your private windows so that you can keep them open and private even when you step away from your iPhone. Locked private browsing is available starting in iOS 17. If you can't find that option to lock private windows, update your device to the latest of software option. Because whatever you are browsing in Safari, no one can see whatever you are browsing. So this is a very good feature with iOS 17. So better I recommend you to guys go and please turn on this feature. So I'll show you how to turn on this feature. So for that, just go to settings and you can see, you just tap on it, and now try to come down and you can just try to find Safari. Yeah, you can see here, just tap on it, and now just try to come down and you can see here under the privacy and security section, require passcode to unlock private browsing. So if you want to turn on, because in this case, yeah, by default in your iPhone it is turned off. So see here, enter iPhone passcode for settings, turn off authentication to view private browsing. If you give the passcode, now if you just, because I have already turned off, and now if you go to the Safari page, and now whatever you are browsing here, you can see here. But guys, whatever you are browsing in Safari, and once you turn on this feature, see here under the privacy and security, require passcode to unlock private browsing, and now just go back to Safari and now try to see here, enter passcode to unlock private browsing. See here. So this is a very good feature, so please guys go and just turn on this feature. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.